our sanding, finished the touch-up sanding, the hand sanding, smoothed out all of our edges. We have the tape up, paper up, so we won't have any overspray, but first we're going to prime. We're using our standard primer on this. We've got a good surface for it to adhere to. It's fairly roughed up. It's excellent primer. And we're going to first go over all of the spots where there was damage in the material to make sure those are all sealed well, and then we're going to prime the rest of it. See you in a few minutes. Okay, we've completed the priming. Got a nice thick coat of primer on there. Well, technically thick. We used the whole 8 ounces of paint primer to do this whole counter. You add the entire contents of the hardener to this. Normally you would have to add a little bit of water to get the product to go through your hopper. If you do, that's okay. They're both water-based. It won't really hurt anything. You have a pretty thorough mix on this. Knock the extra off. And there you have it. Mixed product ready to go in our hopper. Very nice. Normally, if you were painting, you would turn this, but you can't do that with product, otherwise you'll tear the surface of it. Brush it out. I'm moving this in one direction. And all I'm doing is brushing off the little stuff here until I get brings out the beauty of this material. I love that polished stone look. There you have it. A wet look polished stone finish. Natural granite. Bull-nosed corners. A smooth counter.